Hello everyone. Now I will solve collecting numbers of CSES problem set. So let's jump to the problem statement. So you are given an array that contains each number between 1 to n. Okay, exactly 1. So you can say it's a permutation of 1 to n numbers. Okay. And your task is to collect numbers from 1 to n in increasing order. Correct. Okay. On each round, you go through the array from left to right and collect as many numbers as possible. But you have to collect the numbers in increasing order. Okay. So, what will be the total number of rounds? Okay. So, what we can do here, suppose this is our array. Okay. So, we are here at left. First of all, we have to pick one because we have to pick in increasing order. So first we will pick one. Okay. In every round we can go from left to right. Okay. First of all, we can go from left to right. Okay. And so can we first we have to pick two. Okay. So we are going now again. So if we have picked one, so we have to pick two now. So we didn't pick in this round, so we have to move to the next round. Okay. So now we will pick two. So this is my second round. Okay. So I have picked two. Then I will move forward. I have also got three in the same round as well. So in two rounds I have got three numbers. Okay. So now next round. Now two rounds are completed. One, two, three are found. Now I will do four. Yeah, I have found four, and then five also. In three round I have found all the numbers from 1 to n. Okay. So the answer would be 3. Okay. So can you think, Sri, like what is the thing in the what is the main condition to pick two numbers in the same round? Okay. If I am picking one number at a round, suppose say 2. So for any number greater than 2, it should be like its index should be also greater than the index of 2. Okay. To pick numbers in same round, the numbers as well as their indices must be in increasing order. Okay. So what we can do now? Hmm. So let's like that's the main condition of it. Okay. So like to that's the main point of our problem. Okay, so now let's move to the code and we will see and tackle all the problems that come our way. So I have like taken the input number as well as the vector also. Okay, and I have to traverse like I will traverse from 1 to n. Okay, so what we can do like if I am like picking 2 here, I have to make sure that 3 is in the right side. What does that mean? The index of 3 must be greater than index of 2. Okay. So We are playing a lot with the index, so it's better to store index so that we can access very easily in a very efficient way. To access index in a very and their number in a very efficient way, we use map. Okay, so it's a key value pair. So let me like insert a map also. MP of I equals sorry MP of X equals I, and is it should be long. Let me check it. No, it should not be long, so we can remove these. Cool, yeah. So let me define map. Okay, now I have index and which through which I can assess my indices very quickly. So firstly, let me uh, okay. So what we can do, like if index of, like I can start here from 2. If MP of V of I is less than MP of V of I plus 1. Okay, sorry, like if I want to find number I, okay, and I minus 1, so I have to increase rounds plus plus. Also, I don't need to, and I can print rounds here, and int rounds would be 1. Why 1? Because if suppose everything is in order, okay, like every elements are in ascending order, so this be ever be executed? Suppose it is 2 and this is 1. Okay, so the index will be always greater than this. Okay, 1. If so, bigger number will have bigger index, so this statement will never be executed. So but then also we need at least one round to be completed. That's why I am initializing with plus, like rounds equal to 1. Okay, so let's like check this also. The expected output is 133. Yeah, so let me try to submit it. Oh, so I think there are some mistakes. So okay, so is this a overflow error or not? I don't think there would be any. Oh, sorry, I full thing forgot to do here. Like MP of I. Okay, I minus 1. Like I am like starting from 2 First, I am finding the index of 2 through map and comparing with the index of 1. So if it is like greater, so I have to increase my round. Okay. So that's it. That was the issue. So let me resubmit it, and I think it will get accepted because there won't be any overflow error because the constraint weren't too high according to integer. Yeah. Okay. So that's it from my side.